Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add friends in Merge Garden. To add friends in Merge Garden, first of all launch open the game on your device and from the home screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal menu button. From the expanded menu, click on the Friends tab. Under Add Friends, enter a Gardeners tag in the text box, write down their name or their tag, and then in the search result, tap on the Add button to add the person as your friend. Soon after you do that, you will be able to send the friend request on Merge Garden. Now you've got friends added in Merge Garden. Once they accept your request, you'll be able to add them and they will be inside your Friends tab. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.